Alright everybody, welcome to the part 2 of this assembly video. Okay, now what we're going to do, okay, I forgot one last thing on the gearbox. Here's what we're going to do. This right here, this is the oil fill thing, which is actually not really for oil, it's for, grease it. I gotta put that on yet. So it's like I said, if you notice, hold on. I don't know if you noticed or not. Come back, here's the motor, okay? There's a spot right there. It goes on there, alright. Same screw. And get on there. Alright. What we're going to do in this video, though, like I said, we're going to attach it to the chassis. Alright. And here's the chassis. What we're going to need are the two Nerf bars. Alright. Let's get the two Nerf bars. So I can normally do this a lot faster, but I'm trying to do an instructional for you guys. So it's going a little slower. Alright. Those are off. Now on this one, we need these two parts right here. Okay, remember what's going to hold it, legitly hold it to the chassis. Alright. Sometimes it's quicker and easier to just do it that way. Alright. Now turn this upside down. Now, okay, you gotta be careful with these things, they don't come out. Alright, you see these right here? These are for these, alright? What you want to do is get it lined up here. Make sure your motor's upside down, alright? And you want to take your, what do I do with that? Your grease, alright? Put a little bit of grease on these. Not a lot, just a little bit, alright? Put these on here, alright? Like that. Then what these will do, there's a spot here it slides into, alright, on the back of the chassis. Okay, sometimes it's a pain in the butt to get them like that, get them just right. Yeah, it could be a pain in the butt, I'll tell you. I'm not gonna lie to you. It'll be a pain in the ass. Excuse my language, but yeah. Alright. Get them started. There we go. Alright. And I'll just slide this in there, like that. Okay? And slide them in. Okay? And voila. Now, you need 4 screws that go on the top side of this, alright? 2 on each side. 1. What I do, the same screws. Get them on there. Kind of just get them finger tight a little bit just to get them started. Okay. Alright. No, of course. Sometimes a magnetic screwdriver ain't the best thing. Sticks to everything. Alright. Best to do these by hand so you can get a better feel for when they're tight and that. You don't over tighten them and crack them, because you can do that. Okay. Before I tried doing it with a power drill before, and I've over tightened them. And yeah, you don't want to do that. It's not that much work to do it by hand. I'm an old man. I have disabilities, so if I can do it, just about anybody can. Okay. those are on there and they're tight. All right. Now I want to show you something else. All right. You see this little lip thing right here? It just happened to fit perfectly right in there. What it does is it keeps it from going too much. All right. Now the reason of getting these, all right, is you're going to want to put these on. What they do, all right, this settles into that slot right there. All right, this one to go up here, all right, into like a little nut. But then you want to worry about this one right here. It goes into the side. All right, there's a hole here in the side that it goes right into. All right, and on the other side, you want to do the same thing. All right. All right, I don't need that anymore right now. I haven't put it up. All right, get it out of my way. My screwdriver, for some reason, seems to really like it. So, get it out of the way. Break up the release and stuff. All right. Why that one's coming? Shouldn't be. All right. Oh, dang it. Okay. That tightens that down on there, okay? Now, yes, I am still kind of looking at the instructions manual. Now you gotta do this sock towers for the back, okay? So, but what I want to do first, I don't say to do it yet, I don't believe, but I'm gonna put these on and these screws to help hold this so they don't get in my way. Now sometimes, not on this build I'm not gonna, but sometimes I will get the mounting unit from to my Hornet to put on the back of this and on the front of this before I put, so I can put a different body, like a clear body on it that I can paint. If you notice in some of mine I have it like that, I have that. With clips on, I should say. But I'm not doing, I'm going to use the regular body on this one. Alright. So now we got to put the struts together. Alright. Rear struts, what do you want to call them? Alright. So I'm going to get out into here. Okay. You're going to need, let me just get them out of here. Alright. Need those. Alright. That's the front, not the back. Where are my, oh yeah, duh. Alright. Like I said, bear with me. I'm trying to do this without looking at the instructions. So, it take me a little bit longer than normal here. Alright. This is all the sock cover stuff. Okay. Alright. Now, we need, alright, as you will see, I need these. Yeah, shoot. One, two. Alright. Then I need two of these. Oh, dang it. Like I said, I gotta take off the extra. Don't have to, but I prefer to. Oh, shoot. I wonder. Now, there's also these two here I gotta have. Alright. Come on. I'm working half blind here, believe it or not. Alright. So now I got I need two of these. Alright. Now, here's what you gotta have. Alright. I gotta have the smaller sets of these. Alright. Now what's gonna happen is this is gonna go down here. Okay, I gotta get my small screwdrivers. These are some small screwdrivers reach in front. I had to. Alright. These are some small screws. So, I got the one that'll work with them. Yep, alright. This comes in handy. It's actually a set for like doing eyeglasses and stuff. But, alright. And what I do, put that in there like that. Alright. You put this on there like that. And then you take one of these ones with the hole in the bottom of it. Okay. And then you just screw it. Well, supposed to be just screw it right on there. It does screw right on there, trust me. It's just a pain in the butt sometimes to get it started. There it goes. Alright. Now you can either screw it with that, or this thing's too short again. Forgot about that. So I will grab my wrench sheet, my curved wrenches here. Okay. Hold on to it with that. Alright, and then I will, well, usually I hold on to it with that. There we go. And I'll screw this tight. Alright, try and make sure you get them even. Watch your threads and try and get them even, okay? Because if they're even, it's going to work better. Alright. Okay, that's the wrong. My bad. I got the wrong end. I got to get the other one. Wow. Blow me down. Arr, arr, arr. Alright, hold it. Okay. These must be for the front. Okay. So, I gotta have, put that over there for now. The smaller ones right here. Like I said, I haven't done this in a while, so. Oh shit, of course. Rip. My plier just decided to go poop on me. Oh well. Shoot. Oh, come on. Yeah, my pliers decided to take a dump on me. Have to give me a new pair. Yay. Alright. Now this should fit. Oh yeah, much better. Okay. Right, well the other one didn't want to fit so well. Alright. No. We'll do. Put this in here to hold that. Alright. Take one of these smaller ones then. Come on, damn it. This is, tell you, I'm not going to lie, this can be a pain in the butt, majorly, trying to deal with these things, okay? Alright. Put this in here. There we go. Like I said, when you screw this in, I try to get it all the way into the threads. Get a better ride. Not as quite as bouncy. No, come on, damn it. Alright. Well, my screws. But anyway, I'm going to turn this off and put them on and I'll be back. Alright. I got the first one together. By the way, when you put together, you got to put grease inside there. Alright. And grease. I'm going to put grease on here too to help when it, see? Ah, dang it. Why the hell is it not? Because I did it without connecting it. Alright. Now, what comes in handy now are these things. Right here. Alright, they go into here like that. Alright. Take the same screw again. Put it through there. Now this part goes down. Alright. Like this. Okay. Tighten her up. Now, top one gets another one of these. And this has got to go inside this right here. Alright. But then this gets a screw with a nut on it. Where the hell? I'm missing them two now? Oh yeah, I'm missing an entire bag. I'm going to piece together again. They gave me, I'm missing my entire A bag. You didn't even pack it. Alright. I got some spare parts. That's why I like to keep spare parts, because you never know if you're going to need spare parts. Alright, hold on. Alright, I had to go into my parts box here. I don't know my parts. Like I said, this company didn't give me my A bag. Which kind of irks me pretty bad. But I need this for this weekend's competition, so I can't like send it back or anything. Oh, it ain't that big, and it ain't that big of a deal. I ain't got the extra part. I got the extra part, so I ain't got to worry about it too much. It ain't like I'm not able to. You gotta have this one with a wad. Now I got a nut on it. All right. And you just do the same thing to the other side. You take the screw, put it through there. All right. Put this on here. Get this started. Like I said, one of the most important things though is to make sure you get your screws even. Make sure you tighten these about the same threads. Then we get the exact same bounce, okay? Otherwise, it's going to be not fun. You're going to have issues. Here. Alright. Alright, not that one. Nope. So this one. Alright. I'll put some grease in there. Put this on here. It's tight. Alright. Once again, one of these. Like I said, I'll get off there. goes down here. Greasy fingers. This ain't that hard. Ain't that easy to do stuff. So, all right. Now, one of these again. Through there. It's gonna be hard to do, but don't feel bad. It's not. You didn't do nothing wrong. You want it tight like that. God damn. Greasy hands. Alright. Now one last step I'm going to show you how to do. Remember we put these Nerf bars on? I said there's a thing right in here. Well, there is. You got a screw there. Okay. Put the screw in just a little bit, get it started. Slide it down on there. And then tighten her down. I say you want to do it early because you ain't got no electronics in your way in that sucker. Trust me, it gets to be a pain in the ass if you're trying to do this when there's already electronics in the vehicle. Here. Voila, your gearbox assembly is attached to your chassis. All right, I'll be back with part 3.